Hi guys, so in today's video we are going to be reviewing a custom made dress for your girl's birthday. I'm a Gemini. Big up, shout out to all the Geminis. And Rose in the Box was kind enough to send me a customized dress of my liking, and I love that for me because this is my first customized dress. Your girl doing big things, okay, for this birthday. Yeah, stepping it up a notch. So they contact me, tell me to pick which dress I liked, and then they sent me a picture. They sent me a diagram that I needed to take to a seamstress to get my measurements done, and that's exactly what I did. If you guys watch my vlogs, I think 2 weeks ago, you'll see me at the seamstress getting my clothes tailored and also getting my measurements done. But my height is 67 inches, my bust is 37 inches, my waist is 35 inches, my hips is 45, my armhole is 18.5 inches, my shoulder is 18 inches, my arm height is 22 inches, and hollow to the floor is 55 inches. And those are some of the measurements that they needed for my customized dress, and it's good for me to know my measurements, especially now that I'm in the gym all the time. I like to keep track of that, especially since I post a lot of fashion content, so other people can use my measurements as a guide. So those are the measurements, and I'll insert the picture that they sent me to take to my seamstress to get my measurements done, and she did it seamlessly, didn't have any problems. It was easy peasy. Shout out to my seamstress, I love her. I've been looking for a seamstress. Let's go off a tangent a little bit. I've been looking for a seamstress in my area for a very long time that know what they're doing and is affordable, and I couldn't find them. But her, I would be going to her forever now, but that's neither here nor there. And Rose in the Box is located on Aliexpress. You guys know I shop on Aliexpress all the time. My hair is from Aliexpress. I did a whole Aliexpress affordable clothing haul the other day, so this is right in line with what I love to do and where I love to shop. And they also sent a coupon code for new users that will give you some coins off if you want to go on Aliexpress and shop with Rose in the Box. I'll link that coupon code somewhere up here for you guys. They will also be having a summer sale, and the summer sale will start from June 12th to June 18th, and you guys are getting a coupon code, so it's gonna be even more affordable, okay? It's gonna be a sweet deal. I don't know if I mentioned shipping, but let me mention shipping now. Rose in the Box ship their items through DHL, which I love. You can track your items, and if you're not familiar with DHL is super fast, and Rose in the Box also use Signature for your product. You have to sign for your dress when they're shipping it with DHL, so it's gonna prevent your dress getting lost in the mail or someone else signing for it and you can't find it. And I love and appreciate that. It came packaged beautifully, easy and seamlessly. Even though it needs to be seamed, that's the least of my problem. It fits like a glove. This is the dress, and this is a bit out of my comfort zone. This is green. I don't think I have anything in my wardrobe that's this color green, and it's all about doing colors, stepping out my comfort zone for 2023. One thing I love about this is the pleating detail on the left side, and it comes from your left side all the way down to your waist area, all the way down to your hips. So it's gonna accentuate your girl's hips, and as you guys know, the hips are 45. The hips is going to be hipping, okay? But this is going to make it look even better. And also, you know, a little fupa area, if you eat and you want to hide that, the ruching right here is going to help to hide it. And I also love the blinged out boob portion. It gives it a nice detail. I also love the material that they use, because sometimes when you get stuff that's blinged out, if it snags or pull on anything, it's a wrap. All the beading, all the jewels are going to come off. But with this, I know that the jewels are going to stay intact because they're of quality. I love the fact that this have a small strap and a large strap. The large strap can be placed on your shoulder or just lay it on the side of your hand, which allows you to have some versatility, and I love that. Also, in the top portion of the dress, it has padding for your boobs, so I don't have to wear a bra. Me and bras do not get along, okay? Me and undergarments have not been getting along recently, and if I don't have to wear a bra, thank you Jesus, I'm happy, okay? And also inside of this dress, let me show you guys. I hope you guys can see inside. I'll put a zoom in clip. Inside this dress have boning, so this dress have a lot of structure to it, which is something I like, because you know it's gonna snatch your girl up. And then this is also in a mermaid style, which is one of my favorite. If you have a body type like me, mermaid style dresses always look amazing on you. And it goes all the way to the floor, and on your right side it has a high slit, and it's blinged out all the way down to the floor. And as you guys can see, it is double lined. You have the material out here and the material in here, so no one will be seeing your undergarments or see through your clothing. It is of quality. So the dress is dressing, okay? The dress looks amazing. I am going to execute a photo shoot with this dress because I love it so much, and I'm going to do it for my birthday. I have the idea in my head, I just need to execute the plan. I feel like this dress is going to be perfect for a wedding, a prom, a formal black tie event, whatever formal occasion that you have. If you are African girly and you're going to one of those African weddings and you know you have to be on point, Rose in the Box got you, okay? I feel like this dress is perfect for those occasions. And thank you to Rose in the Box for sponsoring this content. Working with them has been absolutely amazing and easy and seamless, so I will say that. And that's all I'm worried about, and the quality. Also, this dress have a little bit of weight to it, but not heavy where you're going to be sweating bullets if you're wearing this during the spring or summer. It just feels like good quality. So comment in the comment section what you guys think about Rose in the Box, and what do you guys think about this dress, and if you're planning on having yourself a customized dress for whatever occasion. Maybe you're renewing your vows and you need a custom dress, but you're tight, you have a budget that is tight. Rose in the Box is going to be for you, darling. So comment in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.